Greetings to all my world history students. In this quick video, I will be showing you how to navigate and use a specific history database to help you complete your research report assignment. Quickly going over the assignment details. With your partner, which you have decided to work with, choose a nation that fought in World War I from either the Entente or Central Powers listed below. Then you would watch this specific video that helps you get more familiar with the database. For step 3, you will click on this link, which will take you to that specific database. Providing more of a quick summary of your assignment, with your partner, you will create a visually appealing Google slide deck or Canva presentation that includes a small timeline with 8 events and that includes these specific elements. I will be creating a separate video that provides more detail about those elements, but for now we will be focusing on the database. So when you come here to this slide, you will click on this link, which will take you to the home page of the database. Now, if you look at the right side, you can see a search bar here. You can type the name of your nation to get information about it, but as you can see, it has a lot of information that can be overwhelming. So what I would suggest is focusing on the top part of the database, specifically on the themes, regions, images, and timeline areas. So for example, if you click themes, it gives you different articles that go more into detail about different topics about World War I, which go beyond what we have learned in class, which can be helpful to give you more knowledge about the subject. Then if you click on regions, this is the most important part of the database and helpful. It takes you to different, it shows you different areas of the world, right? Western Europe, Central Europe. And then if you click on the arrows next to the regions, for example, here, Western Europe, Central Europe, you can see a list of different nations. And I would suggest clicking on these arrows and trying to find the nation that you're focusing on, and then clicking on it, on the nation. For example, here, Great Britain, and it will take you to a part of the database that only gives you articles about your nation. Then if you go to images, it takes you to part of the website that only has images, which can be helpful to find images relating to your nation. And if you want specific images for your nation, you can search up the name of your nation, for example, France, and search it up. And it gives you only images relating to your nation. And then you can go more specific, for example, by region, subject, and theme. And if you, for example, you wanted information about propaganda, you can scroll all the way down here and find where it says here propaganda, and it will give you only images about propaganda relating to your nation. Finally, if you click on the timeline area, it takes you to a part of the website that gives you a breakdown from the start of the war to the end of the war of different events that occurred. And then if you scroll down, it gives you more detailed events, which can be helpful for you when creating your own timeline. Overall, I hope this basic detailed explanation of how to use the database is helpful to you. And if you have any questions, I am always available in class or after class, so feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.